The Great Appalachian Storm of 1950. November 1950. Imagine relentless snow, brutal winds, and catastrophic flooding striking the eastern U.S. The Great Appalachian Storm wasn't just a storm, it was an unthinkable force of nature that redefined how the region viewed winter's fury. Arctic cold clashed with tropical warmth, unleashing hurricane-strength winds and burying communities under feet of snow. Towns were paralyzed, power grids failed, and over 350 lives were lost. This was no ordinary weather event, it was a battle between nature's extremes. The storm not only devastated homes and lives but also reshaped emergency preparedness forever. Its impact still resonates in meteorological history. Will you explore this untold story of resilience and chaos? Dive into history, subscribe now for more.